Today, let's learn 100 of the most common adjectives in British English. Part A. Emotions and feelings. Happy. She feels happy because her friends are here. Sad. He looked sad after losing the match. Angry. Mum gets angry when we don't listen. Tired. I'm tired after walking all day. Excited. The children are excited about the trip. Bored. She feels bored during long meetings. Scared. The dog is scared of the thunderstorm. Confident. She feels confident when giving presentations. Shy. He is shy and doesn't like meeting new people. Brave. Firefighters must be brave during emergencies. Personality and character. Kind. He is always kind to animals. Mean. He is mean and never shares. Funny. He likes making funny facial expressions. Serious. The teacher is serious about my answer. Smart. She is smart and learns quickly. Silly. I made a silly mistake in my work. Helpful. He is helpful when I need advice. Lazy. She is too lazy to clean her room. Polite. It's polite to say thank you. Rude. He was rude to the waiter. Size. Weight and shape. Big. This is a big house with 4 bedrooms. Small. I keep my keys in a small box. Tall. That tall girl plays basketball. Short. The table is too short for me. Long. It was a long and tiring journey. Wide. This road is very wide. Narrow. Be careful on the narrow path. Heavy. This bag is heavy and hard to carry. Light. I packed a light suitcase for the weekend. Tiny. The kitten is tiny and adorable. Speed and time. Fast. He runs fast and wins many races. Slow. The computer is slow this morning. Early. I like to arrive early for appointments. Late. I was late because of traffic. Busy. She is always busy at work. Free. I am free this afternoon. Regular. He takes regular walks every day. Temperature and weather. Cold. It's cold outside. So wear a coat. Hot. This coffee is too hot to drink. Warm. The room feels warm and cozy. Cool. The cool breeze feels nice today. Dry. The weather is dry during summer. Wet. My clothes are wet from the rain. Appearance and beauty. Beautiful. The view from the hill is beautiful. Ugly. That building looks really ugly now. Pretty. She looks pretty in that dress. Plain. He wore a plain white shirt. Clean. The house is clean and smells fresh. Dirty. His clothes are dirty. Neat. Her handwriting is very neat and tidy. Great job. You've completed Part A with 50 useful adjectives across 6 categories. Let's move on to Part B.